Welcome everyone! Apple has saved my iPhone 11 Pro with the iOS 27 beta software update. So first of all, this does come in to 20 gigs. It will sometimes show 8 gigs, but you need 20 gigs of storage free. It will automatically optimize the storage on your behalf to get the update downloaded. And you really want to download it because this is such an incredible update. So first of all, in the WWDC, when they announced iOS 27, they claimed applications now launch 30% faster. Yes, that's right. Applications all loading up way faster. The lag you're used to in iOS 26 or lagOS 26 has been completely eliminated, even on beta 1. And what that means is that this will get even better over time. So if I go to the About page here, you can see 27.0 beta 1. Moreover, if I go to the battery settings, we know iOS 26 is known for destroying the battery. And while Apple didn't claim that they fixed the battery, they have fixed the battery life on iOS 27 beta 1. So you can see the daily usage here. Even after the update, it hasn't shown my battery usage more than normal. And I've installed this on about literally 15 phones. iOS 27 is on 15 phones of mine. Not one has had a battery issue. My personal phone on iOS 27, not a battery issue. And the phone isn't ridiculously hot, like it's actually a normal temperature, and the battery life is significantly improved. So that's just win, win, win. Next, from the homepage settings, if I go into the new appearance option here, so go to appearance, you now have the liquid glass option. So before there was two options. It was frosted or the glass. Well, they've just given you a slider where you can do whatever you want. So fully to the left gives you that iOS 26.0 look, which is just full glass everywhere. And if you slide to the fully to the right, you can effectively remove liquid glass off the operating system. So there's a preview right here, so you can see how it looks. If without the liquid glass on, I go into an app, you can see it's just completely, it just looks like iOS 18 with how that is. Now, I don't think it improves in performance. I could be wrong by making that fully frosted. It might not. I don't think it does. That's something to keep in mind. Now, throughout the operating system, they have changed the app icon. So App Store icon, slightly different. Settings icon, slightly different. Photos icon, slightly different. You will only be able to tell if you have devices side by side. So let me get a device to compare. So on the right is 26. If you just take a look at the App Store icon, settings, photos, they're changing it. They might continue to change it. They're just trying to make these app icons look as much as Mac OS. Also, some other stuff to note is if I go into the Photos app, you have the ability to share albums with Windows and Android users. So if I go to my shared albums here, there would be the option when you start sharing. If I go into the Siri settings, a lot of WWDC when they announced iOS 27 was about Siri, but not for the iPhone 11 Pro, because you can see here the AI Siri is not present. So basically, you're not getting much of iOS 27 other than slightly different app icons and a far better performance device. So that's everything new. Now, real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye-bye.